Hi everyone, here I've got Meizu 16th and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's open the settings, then let's choose display and brightness, and here select eye friendly mode. As you can see now it is disabled. To turn it on, simply click on the switcher, and as you can see the screen turned a little bit yellowish. This is in case to reduce the blue light. Here you can customize the strength of the yellowness. And if you want, you can schedule that feature. Now it is disabled. You can set it from sunset to sunrise or simply custom it just like you want. For example, you can set start time and end time, but let me stay with disabled. If you want, after all of these customizations, if you want to turn it on very quickly, simply unroll the top bar. And as you can see here, you've got the shortcut, eye friendly, simply click on it and the screen turned yellow. So that's all. This is how you set the eye comfort mode in Meizu 16th. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.